Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do butter carrot fry. Firstly, we need to put butter into our pan and let it melt. Now we are going to add mustard seed, curry leaves, and together with green chili. We need to saute our mixture well and add onion. Saute it all together. Now we are going to add 2 whole carrot which was grinded earlier. We need to let the carrot cook around 4 minutes and put a little butter in the middle to fry our egg. Mix the carrot together with the egg. Lastly, we are going to add pepper and salt. Mix it all together. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.